Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her January favorites. I hope you guys are doing well. I am here, I am alive, and I am just pushing through, feeling a whole lot better. Everything is winding down, everybody's in school, I'm back at work, so we're just getting back to the groove of order. So that's where I'm at right now. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. I know a lot of people are happy and relieved that, the stressful part of the holiday season is behind them, and now we just have to get caught up with bills. Brought my tree down, which was kind of sad, but it was good. Now I'm just looking forward to just having a fresh start, a new year, and things of that nature. So I'm going to show you the top 5. I say the top 5 items that I have been loving for both December and January. Some of these things are already posted on my Instagram if you guys do follow me. This is the ColourPop I Like Your Face, which is a beautiful highlight set here, which I just thought was simply beautiful. I've been wearing this both for the work week and also on the weekend, and it's simply lovely. Nice and soft looking. What I've been wearing for the whole month of December, I've returned back to the BH Cosmetics Carly Bible eyeshadow palette, and this was just perfect for the holidays and the transitionings in between, also for work. It was just simply a beautiful palette from day one, and it was so many different looks I was able to do for the month of December and January, and I was just really happy to just bring back such an oldie but goodie back to the forefront of things. Number 3, I don't see the other one, the other color. There it is. Okay, would be these lippies from ColourPop. This one is what I have on right now, and this is Bad Habit. And this one that I wear every day to work is called Eco Park. So these two have made it through. I just love these for the month of December and January. Make sure I don't drop them. All right. Sucks. I wish I had more time wearing it, but it just went so fast. I tell you, December goes really quick. But I've been wearing this for both December and January. These have been my favorite holiday socks with snowmen. This is what I got at Dollar Tree. And this was just a fun little accessory to have wherever I went. If you watch any of my vlogs, you'll definitely see those socks in them. And my final thing is in my ear. This is an earring that I had for 25 years. Yeah, and I misplaced them since October. And I had to finally do like a real deep down social, because I was really getting sad about it, because this is the last thing that I have for my father before he was gone, that I was really adamant at a certain point where I was like, I have to find these earrings. So I went into my jewelry bag that's normally hanging on the wall in the closet, and one by one I checked every one of them. It took me about an hour and 15 minutes. I actually did a decluttering of jewelry too, so I got rid of a lot of old ones, broken ones, and then right towards the last little section of the whole, because I cleaned from the bottom to the top, it was a little section on the right, like almost the second to the last, and I could see it, and it was such a relief to see it there, and it actually made me cry. I was like, oh my gosh, this is like the last heirloom that I have of my dad. I was very thrilled to find it. It was such a joy that it just switched my spirit up, and it just made everything better. So when you find something that has a lot of value, and you lost it or misplaced it, and you think about it, it doesn't leave you. You think about it, and you know it's somewhere. You did not misplace it. You just had to do a soul search and figure out where you put it, do your last steps, and you really had to dig in to find your treasure. So I had learned a lot through that passage of looking for these earrings that I lost since October after the video shoot, and found it in January. So that was a little tidbit that I wanted to give you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the end of the month of January, getting ready for February, which is my birthday month. I'm excited. That was my 5 items. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.